kumusta mo't dagitoy issue tayo mainaig ditoy market redevelopment at amang timagis?
First, categorically, I am in favor of improving the market, developing the market. Pero kami lang, issue lang nila how it is to be developed. I think if you've been watching the city council sessions, I have raised certain points, certain issues. Like for example, the rental rate. Magurog kung nababaunay. Second, the duration. At idug sa unay mo't itin 50 years. Kaasa madigay sumarunong opisyalis kanyang awan to timaramid dan. Taada jaya. And third, ti panggap iti nakakabil kami yung draft the contract of lease. SM will complement dagay lako iti palengke. I need a clear definition of what is meant by compliment. Definitely hanga compete. Nung po na compliment, anya tiket ng ibagati compliment.
Ma'am, iti nabatbati laengan nga aldaw before kayo nga undecided. Ma'am, anya ti makikita tayo nga hala nga effect na day or impact na dagiti patpatungpal da nga rallies, ma'am. Iti dagiti oppose iti rally, ma'am.
You know, it has a great impact on us, the councilors. Kada kami ti agutos. So we are listening. I'm listening to what they're saying, but of course, we will make our own decision. And as we agreed sa session, agbubutos kami to know January 5.